I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing an instant-capable build and a Play console entry. First, enable the instant toggle for your app and confirm the package name. Then produce an Android app bundle configured for instant delivery. Make sure Min SDK and feature splits are set so the instant runtime size stays small. Once done, sign the bundle with the release key and upload to the internal test track. You'll be able to install and inspect the instant artifact immediately in the console. Next, you configure how the instant experience is delivered and test it. Make sure your instant entry point is a single activity and trim resources so launch is fast. Configure dynamic feature modules as on-demand and compress assets where possible. This reduces startup payload. Upload to the internal test track and add tester emails or a group. Once testers receive the invite, install via the Play internal testing link and validate cold launch performance, deep links, and runtime permission. Finally, release your instant-enabled app and monitor performance. Promote the build from internal testing to open or production when stability and metrics look good. Always review Play console pre-launch reports and crash traces. Once live, track install-to-run conversion and startup time. If things go wrong, reproduce the failing flow locally, then verify the manifest entries for instant, confirm module splits and ABI bundles, and ensure the bundle is signed with the correct key. Fixing those usually resolves most instant launch failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.